How to log in CapCut using TikTok. In this video, we will be learning the easiest way on how to log in CapCut using TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first step is to open your application CapCut. You can easily get this application from Play Store or an App Store. Tap on Me at the bottom right corner. The option of sign in with TikTok will be visible to you. Tap on it. You need to wait for a while and it will ask for the access of the application. You need to click on Authorize. You need to enter your birth date. Once you are done, click on Confirm. There you go, you have successfully been logged into your CapCut using your TikTok account. So this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to log in CapCut using TikTok. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.